Guangzhou Fantasy Biotechnology Company Limited, established in 2012, has related factories and is a professional engaged in the research, development, manufacture, sale and service of skincare set, body lotion, sunscreen series, facial serum, natural soaps, all kinds of hair care, spa products, skincare products, face cream, face mask, etc. We are located in Guangzhou City with convenient transportation access. And we have an associated factory in Nansha District. Our associated factory covers an area of 10,764 square and has 10 production lines. Our professional one-stop service skin care factory covers an area of more than 12,000 square meters and has 8 production lines. Can meet all the customization needs of customers. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 22716, GMPC certificates, and FDA, CPSR and FSC certificates for most of our products. Also can be applied according to customers' requirements. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the USA, Canada, Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and other countries and regions, such as England, France, Poland, Australia, Japan, Korea, etc. Also OEM and ODM services are available, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Welcome to visit and consult.